Hey, what's up, people? So we got that Squiddy today. I'm not the best with the Squiddy, but still a good looking flipper. Anyway, I hope everyone's doing swell. And maybe another live stream today. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. If you're currently watching this video, then later today, when this video was posted, I'll have done another live stream. As to when, you guys will just see a premiere on the computer, like maybe 20 minutes before it happens. So yeah, I'll just you'll just see there's like a thumbnail for it, and then you'll know when it's happening before it does. So there you go. I hope everyone's doing good today and for the days to come. So yeah.